Hi there, Jeff here again from YouLi. On our platform, there are up to 5 payment methods so that you can get paid very quickly by your customers, which is very important. And also, take into account that we never touch your money, we don't hold your money, it goes directly to you. So when you go into a trip and you're ready to take bookings, you'll need to upgrade from the guide trial. In the trip itself, you can see that you can set up all these different payment methods from PayPal, credit cards, you can even cover your surcharges, direct transfer, which is often the cheapest method, right down to a click to call me button as well. And once you've set these up, along with your payment installments to make life easier for your customers, when they go to pay on the trip page, they'll see their itinerary items, which I covered in the last video, as well as all these different payment methods that they can choose between. So that's great. Get paid fast with YouLi. Cheers!